Serviced here, non-smoker vehicle, originally bought here, potential factory remaining warranty of X months, X miles. See dealer for details. Jaguar certified, Carfax 1 owner, very nice, low miles, 9,369. Chorus gray metallic exterior and ebony/tonal stitch interior, 25 tons premium trim. Fuel efficient 27 mpg highway/22 mpg city. Sunroof, premium sound system, smart device integration, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, turbo. Discover the Luther Advantage. The Luther Advantage is a complete and comprehensive package of benefits designed to make buying and driving a vehicle from the Luther dealerships a pleasant and convenient experience. From the peace of mind that comes with a 5-day 500-mile return or exchange policy, 30-day 1,500 miles full warranty and 60-day 2,500 miles limited powertrain warranty and free Carfax reports and clean title guarantee on pre-owned vehicles, as well as providing Luther customers with full range of valuable discounts at participating holiday station stores including 10 cents off a gallon, $6 for the works car wash among other advantages and guarantees. As much as we like satisfying customers, we like keeping them even more. Shop with confidence. 6-year/100,000 mile premium limited warranty, 165-point inspection and reconditioning, 24/7 roadside assistance, vehicle history report, no deductible, balance of original 4-year/50,000 mile warranty. Experts report, with the world awash in BMWs, Audi Q5s and Mercedes GLCs, the Jaguar is for those who want something unique. Something beautiful. It has the chops to challenge those Germans, but it also draws a crowd when you park it. KBB.com. Check whether a vehicle is subject to open recalls for safety issues at safercar.gov.